Hey guys, Justin here with JHart Modelworks, and it is time for another shop card shout out. I got 3 cards once again from 3 fantastic builders. I got a new card from a new person, and I got 2 cards from guys we all know and love. I'm going to go ahead and start with this card right here from Rob over at Time Machines Scale Models. Rob, thank you very much for the kind words on the back. Rob has a fantastic channel, guys. He's got some new build stuff going on, some great stuff. He also does some one-to-one car shows, so if you're looking for some inspiration, there is definitely some eye candy to check out over there. He also does Wayback Wednesdays, where he shows some of his older builds, kind of like Mike does with his Throwback Thursdays. And he's got some fantastic builds. One of my favorites is his 41 Chevy pickup. He did a fantastic job with it. I love the green. So definitely give Rob a check out. Fantastic builder, great guy. His link will be down in the description below, or it will be up in that corner. The next shop card is the new card from Charlie Mack. Absolutely great card there, brother. Thank you very much for sending me one of the new ones. I love the fact that the truck is still on the shop card. That is an absolutely awesome truck. But I also love this, I believe it's the first Mercedes. Beautiful car. Go check it out. It's on his channel. There's a video from him showing the finish on it. Absolutely gorgeous. He knocked it out of the park. Like, nobody does those really antique builds like Charlie does. He's got a lot of great stuff. The Constitution he's been working on for years has like perfect rigging on it. Absolutely extraordinary, mind-boggling work. Everybody knows Charlie. He is a legend in the community. He is an awesome help to anybody who needs it. So again, go ahead, and if you're not subbed, I have no idea how you're not subbed to Charlie Mack, but if you're not subbed to Charlie Mack, go ahead and click down there on that link at the bottom. All these guys' links will be in my description, or they will pop up over here. And our final card comes from another absolute legend in the community. Awesome gentleman, absolutely awesome gentleman. Old Tom Rambler 69. Absolutely awesome card, Tom. I love that AMG down there. There's a beautiful build on that one. And this gentleman is the master on hot rods. Honestly, to be honest, Charlie is absolutely right when he calls this gentleman the guru of sprue. Tom has forgotten more about model building than I will probably ever know. The man is amazing. So again, do yourself a favor. If you aren't subscribed to Tom, check him out. Fantastic stuff. Absolutely amazing work from Tom. Definitely worth going and checking him out as well. So that's going to go ahead and wrap that up on the shop cards. I need to do a stash ad video soon. I'm trying to remember what all I've added to the stash since the last time I showed you guys. There have been several additions. As far as the Nissan build with Sean's finished with his build. He's pretty much just waiting on me at this point. And I'm sorry. I'm slow. But I wanted to get the interior done and out this weekend. That did not happen. I got close. It's pretty much ready to assemble. There may be like 1 or 2 parts left that actually need some paint on them. But otherwise, it's ready to assemble, but I didn't want to rush it for the sake of putting out a video. I wanted to take my time on it and do it right, and I think I am. I've got some real nice detail going on in the interior. I'm pretty happy with it. but I also need to do some recording because I want to record some of the individual parts so that you can really see the detail before I put it all together in the interior, and kind of you can't see it because it's all covered up. So yeah, I've just got some recording to do, and honestly, recording is part of what slows me down. If I didn't have to record, I would probably be done a lot quicker than I am. But so yeah, that's where that's at. I'm hoping maybe next weekend to have a video out on it. We shall see. It all is just a matter of, me getting stuff recorded and edited in time. I mean, I should have it assembled this weekend with no problem. It's just a matter of getting things recorded. So that's kind of where we're at here at the bench. As I said, guys, fantastic builders. Check out all three of these guys. Rob, Charlie, and Tom are all fantastic builders. It is definitely worth your time to go check them out. Give them a sub. Show them some love. Thanks for hanging out with me, guys. And as always, I will catch you on the next one.